Welcome to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to show you guys two of the iPhone tricks that help you in the future. Now, before we start this video and before I show you guys these two tricks, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you don't miss any videos in the future. Now, that's been said, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So the first one is going to be if you have any apps or any application on your phone and you don't want anybody to know about it, or you just just want to hide from friends or family, or whatever the reason is. Now do this trick and it will help you to minimize that risk, or whatever the reason that you want to hide that application. So as we can see right now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the seventh one is App Library. So all these third-party application, if you want to hide any of this application, or you want to hide everything except the stock iOS application, all you want to do is go to your setting application, open it up and go to the screen time right here. And then what you want to do, you want to scroll down till you see a contact and privacy restriction. Click on that and make sure this option is on, the contact and privacy restriction. This switch is on. And then what do you want to do? You want to scroll to where you see contact restriction. Click on that and then enter the password. And then what do you want to do? You want to click on the app. As you guys can see right there, the app section. Right now it says allow all, but you want to click on this and then you want to click on don't allow. So if we check that and you just want to exit, and as you guys can see right now, you're gonna see only of the stock iOS application, nothing else. All the third-party applications and most of the application got hidden. So now whenever you're ready to get it back, just go back to the setting and do the same process again. So let me close the setting, go to setting and go to screen time, and then go to the contact and privacy restriction, and then contact restriction, enter your lock password, go to apps and then allow all. You have option, you can do 4 plus, 9 plus, 12 plus, 17 plus, or you can do allow all. So we're gonna do allow all, and if we exit, as you guys can see, we got every single app back on your screen, just like that. So that's how you hide and unhide your application on your phone. Now, the next one is going to help you guys to save battery and also have your battery life last longer, and the best trick is actually available on the original Apple website. And I took a screenshot from the Apple website and I'm going to show you guys right here. As we can see right here, sport.apple.com, that's the website. And let me make it clear so you guys can actually see it. So as we can see right here, MacBook works best at 50 to 95 Fahrenheit, 10 to 35 centimeter. Sorry guys, my camera, okay, there you go. And then as we can see, this is the important part right here. Remove cases during charging. Charging your device when it's inside the carton style of the case may generate excess heat, which can affect battery capacity. If you notice that your device gets hot when you charge it, take it out of the case first. For Apple Watch Edition models, make sure the cover of the magnetic charging case is off. So as you guys can see right here, you guys can pause the video and read this right here. So this is the basically really important role that play in your battery of your device. So if you have any question, let me know in the comments below, and also I'm going to leave this website in the description below so you guys can actually go and read it yourself. It's on the Apple website. So these are the two important tips and tricks that I came across, and I just want to show it to you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that's all for right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.